Hello, curious explorers on the island of knowledge. Who does not love popping bubble wrap? We use it for fun and to protect fragile things. But would you believe that this amazing invention was first created for a completely different reason? As wallpaper? Let me invite you to discover the surprising story of bubble wrap. On the explorer's path, I met the turtle and the vulture. The turtle was sure it was a special kind of leaf that only grows underwater. He said that air bubbles get trapped in the leaves during a storm and serve as tiny trampolines for small fish. The vulture, on the other hand, thought it was skin shed by very old snakes. He shared that as snakes get older, their skin becomes wrinkled and full of bubbles, and popping them brings good luck. I explained to them that bubble wrap is neither a plant nor snake skin. It is an invention made by people, and at first it was meant to be a modern, three-dimensional wallpaper. On the meadow of questions, I met the capuchin and the crocodile. The capuchin shared that she once tried to decorate her tree by sticking colorful leaves to the trunk. Sadly, the leaf wallpaper wilted and fell off quickly. She thought that wallpaper with bubbles would last much longer, but maybe would not look as pretty. The crocodile added that he once tried to carry his precious polished stones by wrapping them in soft leaves. Unfortunately, the leaves tore, and one of his stones got chipped. Their examples showed why bubble wrap did not work well as wallpaper, but turned out to be a brilliant material for packing, because it is strong and cushions things very well. In the thicket of ideas, I met the armadillo and the sloth. I decided to test their knowledge and asked what they knew about the history of bubble wrap. The armadillo explained that it was invented by two engineers who tried to make bumpy, easy-to-clean vinyl wallpaper. The sloth added that the idea for wallpaper did not catch on, but the inventors noticed that their product was light and protected things from bumps. Then they came up with the idea to use it for packing fragile items, which turned out to be a great success. I praised them for knowing so much and summed up that the story of bubble wrap is a great example of how a failed idea can accidentally lead to a genius invention. Dear researchers, today we discovered the surprising story of bubble wrap. We learned that this much-loved packing material was supposed to be wallpaper at first. It is a wonderful lesson that sometimes the best inventions happen by accident, and a failure in one area can become a success in another. Remember to always look for new ways to use your ideas. See you on more adventures on the Island of Knowledge.